Okay, so this troposphere is the initial layer, and if we go by the stratification density, densest layer is going to be the lowermost layer. सबसे नीचे की लेयर में सबसे ज्यादा गैसेस होंगी. तो लगभग 90% कंपोजिशन ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर रिमेन्स इन troposphere. Why is it so? Because gravity will try to pull maximum gases, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, water vapors. Most of these gases are denser, so they remain within troposphere itself. इसी region में रहेगी, within troposphere. Okay with it? Troposphere. Now, extent of troposphere is, on an average, they say it is 12 kilometers. Right? Up to 12 kilometers. It extends vertically up to 12 kilometers. But at equator, all of you know what is equator? That 0-degree region. It is up to 18 kilometers, and at poles, it is up to 9 kilometers. You may have some sources writing it as 8 kilometers, some sources writing it as 17 kilometers. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उस एक आध किलोमीटर का. But it has a greater extent at equator and it has lesser extent at poles. So if I visualize this troposphere, it is not a straight line. मतलब अगर मैं इसको मान लूं ये 0 डिग्री है और ये 90 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड है, it's not a straight line. It's more like slanting. Height is greater over equator and it is lesser over poles. So one of the reason why this difference, temperature is one of the factor. So अगर मैं troposphere को ऐसे visualize करूं, it's slightly higher at equator and lesser towards poles. Can you think of this, everyone? One of the reason why it has a greater elevation at poles and greater at equator and less at poles is because of temperature changes. Where do we have higher temperature? Equator. Since temperature is very high at equator and gases expand, जब आप किसी चीज को heat up करते हैं तो क्या होता है? Expansion. Because of that expansion, gases go away from the surface. हमारे लिए away from the surface ऊपर है. अर्थ के लिए ऊपर नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है. It's either near the surface or away from the surface. ऊपर है नीचे is for us because we are at the surface. तो हमें लगता है हमसे दूर जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है. Actually, it is going away from the Earth's surface. Are we understanding this? So, on the surface of Earth, because temperature is higher at equator, gases expand, so they maintain a higher level. They can extend up to a greater level. दूसरा फैक्टर देखो, where do we have greater rotation? Spin, equator पर. तो कुछ centrifugal effect होगा atmosphere में भी. It will be having some of the centrifugal effect. So therefore expansion is more at equator. एक और फैक्टर आपने स्कूल डेज में पढ़ा होगा, that gravity is slightly less at equator and more at poles. जैसे g का वैल्यू पढ़ा होगा आपने, एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. नहीं भी समझ में आता कोई बात नहीं, बस ये याद रखना सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ से इक्वेटर ज्यादा दूर है देन पोल्स. क्यों? कल आप बता रहे थे ना, ओब्लेट स्फेरॉइड, पोल्स आर बिट डिप्रेस्ड एंड देयर इज अ बल्ज एट द सेंटर. तो सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ से दूर कौन होगा? इक्वेटर. सो ग्रेविटी विल बी स्लाइटली लेसर एट इक्वेटर. Can you relate, all of you? So if it is slight less gravity, expansion is going to be more. So इसीलिए आप देखोगे कि जो ट्रोपोस्फियर का एक्सटेंट है वो कहां की तरफ बढ़ेगा? इक्वेटर की तरफ, up to the height of about 8 kilometers. Reasons. One reason is increase in temperature. Higher temperature, more expansion, and because of higher expansion, gases can reach up to higher levels. Second reason is the centrifugal effect. And third reason is less gravity. at equator. और ये तीनों ऑपोजिट है कहां पर? पोल्स पे. लॉक करो इसको एवरीवन. कोई कंफ्यूजन इसमें? श्योर? ओके, आई होप देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन देन. सपोज इन प्रीलिम्स एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चन है और तीनों ऑप्शंस आ रहे हैं हमारे पास. So if the option is all of the above, obviously all of the above. But if option is only one, क्या लोगे? टेम्परेचर. तो क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना इंपॉर्टेंट है. हो सकता है अर्थ रिलेटेड कोई और भी पॉइंट हो, बस ये याद रखना ये तीन फैक्टर्स है. One is related to the rotation of earth, one is related to the shape of earth, another is related to temperature conditions, insolation. Clear? Now intelligent class. Why did you say that temperature is high at equator? Sun rays are vertical at equator for most time of the year. अब ये बताइए, do these sun rays remain vertical at equator throughout the year? No. You clear? Summer solstice में vertical sun rays कहां पर हैं? Tropic of Cancer पर 23.5 degree north. Winter solstice में कहां पर हैं? Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. Will this height of troposphere remain same throughout the year? No. Are we getting this point? So what you will see is that troposphere has slightly greater elevation towards Tropic of Cancer, right? And it has greater elevation towards Tropic of Capricorn. ये कब होगा? During winter solstice. And this is going to be during summer solstice. You're clear with this? Sure? Everyone? फिर क्वेश्चन पूछूं कुछ? Yes, very good. Will the height be 18 kilometers? See the average elevation. I'll repeat the question. Maybe I'll rephrase this question. The height of troposphere is average is about 12 kilometers. इक्वेटर पर हाइट 18 किलोमीटर है, लगभग 6 किलोमीटर ऊपर है. एंड रीजंस वी हैव जस्ट नाउ मेंशन्ड. नाउ it goes slightly higher towards tropics during summer solstice or winter solstice. तो क्या इसका हाइट 18 डिग्री तक होगा या थोड़ा कम होगा? क्यों? सेंट्रीफ्यूगल इफेक्ट नहीं होगा, वहां पर कम होगा, या फिर gravity is going to be less. So you may read in some textbooks, some sources, that the height of troposphere will increase in tropics during solstice time, and elevation would be slightly less than equator. It will rise not up to 18 kilometers, but up to 14 to 15 kilometers. Why? Because effect of gravity is increasing polewards, centrifugal effect is less, temperature may be same. Clear everyone?